So for all the new viewers or people commenting, asking why we bought so many parts, it's because we sell parts. That's what Baron's Garage is. The people who've been here since day one know that. But we're gonna show you a little bit of what we do today, what I've been doing for the past week, just meeting with people and literally selling parts out of the back of the truck. Got the teardrop.
What's up, bro? Harry Backpack.
Hey. What's up, guys? How you doing?
Pretty good, right?
Good, good.
Keep going.
Dang, those are tight. I've never seen them in person.
I got some presents.
Oh, what? You got some stickers?
Yeah.
Dang.
I got 5 of those ones for you.
We're loaded with the Harry Backpacks right now, dude. Dang it. Yes, dude, you're killing it with these. We'll tag his Instagram if you guys are interested in the Pack. Hit him up.
$5 each.
$5 each for your Harry Backpacks. That's the cheapest backpack out. Go, sir. Sweet. That's all she was missing, huh? Yeah. When back down's gonna suck.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna have to do right now.
日本語O'Reilly's に行きます。
ダブルサイデッテープ
両面テープ買いに行きます今日は。I totally forgot I have to snake in here. Oh, easy. Okay. はい、O'Reilly's に着きました。
着きました。
両面テープあるかな？ My car's dirty. Make it clean. Hey, you don't have to bring that in, yeah? A camera? No, you don't. Dude, it's so embarrassing. Oh my gosh, come on.
Dude, I should get these and make my own Type X tails.
Nice.
Go up to the people and say, すいません。両面テープ。
This is tape, right?
To your right. Or
He knows where it is.
Oh, right here.
Where? Oh, right here. Oh, here it is. Okay, okay, the 3M. Okay, okay.
Master of O'Reilly's.
I know. You're the master of O'Reilly's, babe.
Yeah.
Hi, Momo.
Alright, get a thick one and a skinny one.
Thank you. 任務達成. Like when you clear a stage in Naruto.
Mission successful?
Yeah, mission successful. You should come to Vegas with us.
How about no?
Why not? It's Valentine's Day.
No.
You can find
Take
your...
my hand with me to Vegas.
You can find your Valentine's Day.
Fun stripper in Vegas?
Yeah, you never know.
I'm good.
I have to sneak through that again. めっちゃ怖い. Oh my gosh. Did you get those kids? They were like, rev it. Okay. Okay.
That's it.
任務達成. It's not this, right?
No, that's mine.
Okay. I was gonna say, I don't know how that's gonna look on my car. Oh, is it in my trunk? I think it's in my trunk. Let me see. Let me go check. Floor mats.
You gonna attach floor mats to your trunk?
はい、どうぞ. BHR.
Oh, that's the front wing for your front bumper.
Dude, you really make me like think about it. I'm like, what? Front wing?
Josh, why is there 3? Okay.
Oh, all right. Here, let me film you now. Okay, we
What?
take turns, right?
Nope.
Let me film
That's
you.
not how this works. It's gonna cover the light.
Is it gonna cover the light?
It is. It's gonna look good.
It's for all you people who say it doesn't look good with the wing. I'll prove you wrong.
It's already paint matched.
It's already paint match, dude.
Woo! Looks good. It looks good.
Okay, I'm not gonna lie. It looks a little bit good.
Dude, just trust me. You know it looks good.
Okay, it looks
With wing, without. Come on, she looks bald now.
It's not a hairy peck, that's for sure.
Definitely not a hairy peck.
Wait, can I do the roof wing first? Because I know for a fact I want that on.
You still don't want that even after seeing it, Leah?
We'll see.
Why is it so cold out here?
Leah, that's the wrong spot.
Yeah, what are you doing, man?
What do you mean?
It's not where the roof wing goes. It goes on the window.
Oh, that's right, huh? That's so embarrassing.
All right, guys, you just find your roof wing like this. It's okay. You're a girl. You can do these things. If you were Jordan, I would make fun of you, for sure.
I don't care. It was an honest mistake.
So guys, when you make your mistakes, make sure it's honest.
As long as it's honest, it's not a mistake. All right.
That looks good.
Okay.
It's the subtle
trunk
finishes,
wing.
bro.
Put the trunk wing on too.
Trunk wing.
Oh
How's
yeah.
this gonna stick?
That looks freaking wonderful.
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know?
Okay,
So good.
so scissors.
I think you should actually leave these because the red matches the taillights.
Dude, so smart. And then mount the wing like this. It's a moment of truth right now. I don't even know what I'm doing. It's so hard. I need your eyes, Jordan, on that side and this side. Are they the same length from like
Here,
this?
take my right
Can we
eye.
borrow your eyes?
Yeah, that's perfect, dude. Dude, that looks so good.
You're doing great, babe.
I'm fine. I'm doing fine.
Just have shots like this, cutting tape on your wife's lap. People driving by are just like, what are these idiots doing? Just
For
like,
real. For real.
definitely look like crackheads right now. Just got this new wing. Freaking sick. You having trouble there, babe?
Just those nails, those $50 nails that you put on your nails.
All right, jump up on here, babe.
Unreleased, guys.
Are you gonna blur it out?
No, we're not
Okay.
gonna blur it out. But
This
she's begging us to put this on her car.
Yes.
It's one of the 4 new stickers we have.
I like how it's like
I
manga
honestly-
style.
I honestly would say this is one of my favorite ones. And
Right?
it's cool because it's a die cut, guys. So go ahead and place it wherever you want to place it.
Yeah.
Judson, you killed it once again. Everyone go thank Judson for making us these dope stickers. I can't wait to show you guys the other ones too.
Oh, it's so good.
Dang, that is a tight sticker. Got a roof wing for the FD. Where's my bags? Dad, can you read my custom plates? Frickin' Burgers! We gotta go unload this ore off Coda's trailer. If he's going back to Utah, he's leaving tomorrow, or he's leaving this morning at 3 in the morning to go grab his stuff because he's moving in. He's meeting us in Vegas. I'm taking a vacation, going to Vegas for the weekend.
Finally.
I need to get this thing off. This thing's in great. This is from a famous drifter. Oh, he's not even famous. This is a
He's
street.
famous on the street, bro. I seen this car in Daikoku Street in Japan.
In 2014. We'll insert the video right here.
What? first watched you drifting, like first time.
And now I have it.
That's crazy.
7 years later, ended up at the land. But yeah, this thing was so cherry. We'll insert some photos here. But the plan with this is probably gonna paint it black. I got some 18x12 work equipped I'm gonna throw on it. Eric's gonna refresh everything and probably repaint the interior panels with vinyl paint because we're freaking pro at that. Okay. Hey.
Guys, look at all these abandoned 180s. 1, 2, 3. Koda's moving in, so he's gonna bring all his paint stuff. Gonna freaking paint all these cars, bro.
I ain't painting this car myself. This one needs a Kylie Jenner makeover, bro.
It's not just makeup, you know, touch up.
Hey, we should,
Freaking surgery, bro.
This one needs some implants.